So a few weeks ago, we did have a restock on the Yeezy 700s, and I didn't pick them up, but my brother did. So this is his pair right here, the Yeezy 700. He picked this up from Yeezy Supply. I told him, don't open the box when it comes. I want to do it on camera. He opened it. But I do have a brand new box here, not opened yet. You guys can see the tape from Yeezy Supply, so stay tuned for this. So let's take a look at these 700s from Yeezy Supply first. Let's see, is Yeezy Supply a scam or is it legit? Let's take a look and see. Yo guys, I'm Danny Moore, back with a brand new video. We did hit 3,500 subscribers, so it is giveaway season. Yes, I'm giving away a bunch of Supreme Box Logo stickers. To enter the giveaway, all you need to do is make sure you guys subscribe to this YouTube channel, smash that like button, follow me on Instagram, follow me on Twitter, those links down below, and be sure to leave a comment. Anything at all you want to say, you are entered into the giveaway. We did hit 3,500 subscribers, so thank you guys so much. This giveaway will be done on Friday, October 19th, so we still have about 2 weeks left until I do the giveaway. So, last entries, make sure you guys go ahead and comment, make sure you guys subscribe, follow me on Instagram, follow me on Twitter, get your entries in if you want to win a Supreme Box Logo sticker from me. So, let's get into today's video. We're going to talk about Yeezy Supply. Why? Because Yeezy Supply is a hot topic right now, and there's a bunch of things going on with Yeezy Supply. And yes, I'm talking about shipping. Yeezy Supply is known for bad shipping. Their shipping has been really bad in the past. It's gotten a little bit better, but still, it's still not up to date as it should be. It's not up to par as it should be. It's Kanye's official website. You would think that their shipping would be really on point, that they wouldn't be slow, and, well, no, it's the complete opposite. They're very slow as hell, to be honest. And I do have a double unboxing in this video, so let's take a look at one of the shoes, and then we'll talk a little bit more, and then we'll get into the second one. So a few weeks ago, we did have a restock on the Yeezy 700s, and I didn't pick them up, but my brother did. So this is his pair right here, the Yeezy 700. He picked this up from Yeezy Supply. I told him, don't open the box when it comes. I want to do it on camera. He opened it. But I do have a brand new box here, not opened yet. You guys can see the tape from Yeezy Supply, so stay tuned for this. So let's take a look at these 700s from Yeezy Supply first. Let's see, is Yeezy Supply a scam or is it legit? Let's take a look and see. So the Yeezy 700s, go to open up this box. And these came from Yeezy Supply. These were not that hard to get on Yeezy Supply. They actually sat for a little bit. But yes, the Yeezy 700 Wave Runner. Retail was $300, and these took my brother about a week and a half to get. A week and a half to get. Adidas, very fast. You usually get them in about 4 or 5 days. Yeah, about a week and a half from Yeezy Supply on these. Took a little bit, but they finally came. They didn't cancel his order, so that's good. But yeah, took about a week and a half to come. Yeezy Supply is legit, but their shipping is slow as hell. I do have a story on Yeezy Supply. Actually, to this day, I get a bunch of DMs on Twitter all the time asking how I was able to cancel a Yeezy Supply order. Yes, I actually canceled the Yeezy Supply order. I know that they no longer let you do that. I did it. This is like 2 years ago, maybe. I don't know. I have to look back and see if I can find the emails. If you guys want to see a Yeezy Supply story and how I was able to cancel my order and what really happened with that whole story, be sure to let me know down in the comments. But yes, the Yeezy 700 Wave Runner OG from Yeezy Supply. Yeah, they took a little bit to come, but they finally did. Here they are. Let's take a look at the other shoe. I did have these before, except it was a size 6. I copped them on the first release, sold them later on, made a few bucks on them. Now they're not worth much over retail at all. You'll make a few dollars here and there, but they're not worth crazy prices like they used to be. But yes, the Yeezy 700 Wave Runner from Yeezy Supply. And yeah, Yeezy Supply is legit, but their shipping is slow as hell. Now, let's take a look at what's in this box. So these restocked a few days after the 700s. So let's open up this box here with, of course, the Supreme knife. So yes, these released a few days after the 700s, a huge restock. Sat on Yeezy Supply for a week. So you guys know what these are. These are the creams. This is the new pair. I'm not sure if there's going to be any differences between this pair and the first release. We'll have to see. And maybe I'll do a video on that. If you guys want to see that, definitely let me know. We'll see if there's any differences. But yes, we have the creams. I did not buy these. My brother bought them. He wanted to double up. So we'll take a look. They're really in this box tight.
That's what she said.
So this order and my friend's order, actually the same thing happened. We placed the order and didn't get any emails or anything for days. It was weird. Didn't get an email confirmation, didn't get shipping, nothing. It was pretty weird. So I don't really know what's going on with Yeezy Supply. I think they definitely need to step up their game with emails and especially shipping. These took forever to come, it seemed like. These came out on the 21st. He bought them on the 21st. And they came in yesterday, October 2nd. So it's been like a week and a half, almost 2 weeks again for this pair. Crazy. Yeezy Supply, you gotta step up your game. Now, Yeezy Supply was not charging shipping on this pair. They do on all other orders. So when you're charging $20 shipping, you better be getting the shoe pretty fast. Not waiting 2 weeks to get the shoe. So that's, you know, something they gotta fix. But we'll take a look. Whew. And here they are, a brand new pair of the cream Yeezy Boost 350 V2. So here they are, the cream Yeezy 350 Boost V2. Got these from Yeezy Supply, and like I said, they took almost 2 weeks to come. It's been like a week and a half, and they finally came. Didn't charge shipping, didn't charge tax, so $220 out the door. Hey, can't beat that. Retail price, no extra fees, can't beat that. But they still took a while to come. Yeezy Supply, it's definitely legit, but disclaimer, their shipping is horrible. Their customer service is horrible. I've heard horror stories of people placing orders. So I've heard stories, and it's actually happened to me. I'll do a follow-up video if you guys want to see that. Let me know. So when people place orders, they wind up placing the order by accident. It's a whole story. I'll get into what really happens in another video. But yes, people place an order accidentally, and then it's a pain in the ass to even contact Yeezy Supply, and when you do contact them, they take forever to answer, and you can't even get your money back. All sales are final. So Yeezy Supply, yes, it's legit, but you better be sure your order is 100% correct. You better be okay with waiting a week and a half to 2 weeks to get your sneakers. You're gonna pay retail. Most orders, you're gonna pay $20 shipping. They didn't charge it on this one, but I feel like that was because there was tons of pairs. They were easy to get, and they sat for days. So I feel like that's why they didn't really care about charging the $20 shipping. But most orders, you're gonna pay $20 shipping. They're gonna take a while to come. You just gotta be patient. They are legit, obviously. It is Kanye West's website, but you gotta wait. You gotta wait. It's not Adidas, and it kind of sucks having to wait that long. You know, paying $220 for your sneaker and then having to wait 2 weeks to get it. It sucks. You know, it really does. You're really hyped to get it. You were able to pick up a Yeezy for retail, but now you gotta wait 2 weeks to get it. Disappointing, but hey, it's Yeezy Supply. They're legit. You can't really debate it. So here they are, another pair of the cream Yeezy 350 Boost V2. I'm sure you guys have seen these before all over the internet, but yes, here they are. Very clean shoe, very, very nice. First glance, they look a little bit different than the first release, and that's on the outsole. So I might do a video. Comparing the new one that just restocked compared to the first release. If you guys want to see that, definitely let me know by smashing the like button. So here they are, the two pickups from Yeezy Supply, back-to-back weeks. Each shoe took about a week and a half, almost 2 weeks to come. But yeah, they're legit. Yeezy Supply, good to go. Pick up your Yeezys for retail, you're gonna pay shipping, you're gonna pay tax, and you're gonna have to wait a while to get them. Sucks, but it is what it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you guys give it a big fat thumbs up right now. Do not forget to join the giveaway for the Supreme Box Logo stickers. So if you guys want to win a Supreme Box Logo sticker on October 19th, I'll be doing the giveaway. All you need to do, once again, is enter the giveaway. Be sure to subscribe, leave a comment down below, smash that like button, follow me on Instagram, follow me on Twitter. Those links down below in the description. And October 19th, I will be picking a bunch of winners. So stay tuned for that. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button, smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. We're always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thanks for watching, guys. We out.